Climate change means that sea levels are rising worldwide, and no matter what is decided at the COP26 Climate Summit, they will continue to rise far into the future. Why is that? Give me a few minutes and I'll try to explain. There are two main reasons for why sea levels are rising now. 50% of sea level rise is because the water is warmer, so its volume increases. 42% is due to melting glaciers and ice sheets in places like the Alps, Greenland and Antarctica. 8% is changes in land water storage. Globally, sea level is now rising at an average of around 4.4 millimetres per year, a rate that is accelerating. In the short term, the big worry is how sea level rise will amplify the extreme weather that's becoming more frequent because of climate change. Have a listen to Arne Arntz, Professor of Coastal Engineering at the University of Rostock.
We have to assume that sea levels will rise sharply and therefore storm surges will also be higher. At the same time, we have seen in the last few decades that heavy rain events have increased massively. We must also assume that these events will continue to increase until the end of the century. When there's a combination of flood events from the sea and inland area, then catastrophe is inevitable.
Longer term, there's another creeping inevitability which is very hard for us all to imagine, and that is that sea levels will keep rising for centuries, as the ocean system takes a long time to adjust to our warmer planet. So, even if we manage to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, we'll still see sea levels rise by up to 3 metres over the next 2,000 years. You can read more environmental news on euronews.com/green and let us know your thoughts on our social media platforms.